and how important nga ang tutors naton subong nga kaupod. I think this is aral reading, no? Na magtutok kit sa ato ng mga kabataan. We'll face the reality. There is a learning gap because the way we teach, sometimes sa may ban na kabataan needs additional care. And the ARAL program is the way we can address this additional care sa ating mga kabataan. So the fact na ari kamo din mga ARAL tutor subong is very essential. It's not just to address this learning gap, but rather to build a better future sa ating mga kabataan. To build a better workforce sa ating mga municipality. So this program must have an additional